back to math class, Team 6E. Today we are not going to be using our blue math books. We're actually just going to do a simple activity to prepare us for ordering rational numbers. But today we're just going to look at just plain old integers. We're going to order integers. Well, if you notice, I kind of already drew a number line here, and my number line goes from -5 all the way up to +5. If I asked you what is the smallest number on my number line, you would tell me that this number right here is my smallest. It is -5. And you would tell me that this number right here is the largest number that I have. Okay. Now, obviously, the farther to the left we go, the smaller the numbers get, and the farther we go to the right, the larger the numbers get. A number line has arrows on both ends, meaning that our number line could extend and keep going larger and larger, and it could also keep getting smaller and smaller. What I have down here is I have an example of some integers that I would like for us to put in order from least to greatest. Least means the smaller numbers first. Well, if I notice, I have here two negative numbers, and negative numbers are smaller than 0, and they are smaller than positive numbers. So if I look at -2 and -4, I notice that -2 is here and -4 is here. Which one is the furthest to the left is -4. It is 4 places further away from 0. So my smallest number is going to be -4. The next one would be -2. Now I have 3 numbers left. When I look at these, I'm now in the positive numbers. This is a little bit simpler for me to look at. I noted that 0 is the next smallest. Then when counting up, I know that 3 comes before 5. And these numbers are in order from least to greatest. Okay? I'd like for you to look at some other numbers here. We're going to look at from least to greatest. Okay? This time I gave you a little bit larger numbers. Think about which numbers would be the smallest. Well, you might even want to think about or maybe draw a simple little number line like this to kind of give you a visual. And we know that positive numbers are going to go this way. Oops. 1, 2, 3. And negative numbers are going to go this way. Here are the negative numbers I have. I know that the negative numbers are going to be the smaller numbers. -40, -2, -6. Well, -2 happens to be on my number line right here. -6 I know would probably be about right here. -40 is going to be way down here somewhere. So it is the farthest to the left. So -40 would be my smallest number. The next number would be -6. And then finally, I would get to -2. -2 is furthest to the right here. Now I have my positive numbers from least to greatest. It looks like 17 and then 35. Okay, very simple practice for today to kind of prepare us for things dealing with rational numbers. We're going to deal with decimals and fractions and putting them in order. As soon as you're done watching my video here, I have a Google Slides thing that I'd like for you to fill out, and it basically is about putting things in order from least to greatest.